What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the most important levels for Bitcoin to take the next trading opportunity. Also, we're going through the DXY, what I expect in the coming days, the long trading opportunity that I provided yesterday that I'm in right now at 28,800, provided here in the Legends trading community. We're very much aware of this possible scenario, this bounce here in the Discord. We're also going through the bots that I activated that are doing extremely well here on Bybit. And also, we're going through the World Series of Trading here, guys. We dropped in rank a lot. Now we're recovering again, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. Let's dive in here through the Bitcoin price to see what are the most important levels we need to pay attention for our next trading opportunity. Before, let's talk about the World Series of Trading. We dropped in ranking all the way down to 32 yesterday. Now we are recovering again, and it's extremely volatile. You can see all of these people, okay, moving up and down in ranking. It's absolutely crazy. Calm down. It is the first day. We still have over 2 weeks in the competition. So we want to scale, our P&L slowly and consistently to get to the top 20 and then to the top 10, okay? If you want to join my team, you still have a few days to join. There is an iPhone giveaway, okay? iPhone 14. If you join my team and sign up with a link in the description, this giveaway is only in between a few hundred people, as you can see here. So you do have a large chance to win. All right, if you sign up with a link, join my team, iPhone 14 giveaway for somebody in my team. Now let's dive in here through the price of Bitcoin right away. What am I expecting? Why did I get into this long position? First of all, let's explain here what was the scenario here talked about in the Legends community. This was yesterday. Why did we long from this level? Well, basically because we had a massive rejection from this low over here. We were very much expecting a scenario like this in the Legends community. Let's claim that low, get a recovery. As soon as we get that recovery above 28,800 level, which was this low, then we're entering that long position. I am still in that long position, of course, here. As you can see, 28,800. Now, basically, that long position was based on a swing failure pattern from this low, basically, okay? So we had that low taken. We did see some volume here kicking in here on the 1 hourly, as you can see, getting that recovery. That was already a pretty nice, good sign of strength, okay? So overall, we had this consolidation as well. We had a naked point of control. The session volume profile was giving us that large point of control here right there, as you can see from the 1st of August. So we knew there was some confluence at that zone. We knew that this level could hold very, very nicely. Now, most of the people, of course, think that this low is going to be taken. And I said, it is, a possibility that that low is going to be claimed. However, if the price manages to get back above this low, I am ready for that long position, right? That was provided in the Legends community. Now, what is next? Talked about stuff here yesterday, but what is next to come? What are the strongest resistance level? This is why I need your attention right away, because this zone right over here, we have some very important resistance levels. Yes, it is true that we're already testing these highs, okay, from the zone. As you can see, these lower highs, this one right over here has already been tested for a liquidity grab. So does this mean that we're going to turn around from this level? I'm going to say it's definitely a possibility, but they are stronger levels to the upside. Like I explained, this does look like more of a descending wedge scenario structure, right? Where we could blast off here in the next coming days. It's definitely a possibility. I want to try and get into that swing long position because the profits will be crazy if we were to pump 1,000, 1,500, okay, to the upside. Now, on the other side, where are the next day trade scenarios? Where can I get into the next day trade? Of course, longing right now is not an option for me. If you want to try and long, you want to try and long here at the lows, just like you see here on Bybit, okay? We want to try and long those lows. And, at this moment, of course, as we're pumping, we'll be probably facing some resistance levels. So that is what you want to know in this episode. Of course, if I do take a look at the fixed volume profile from this range, we do have the $29,400 range. It is true that the value area low does provide support and the value area high does provide resistance. So how is the price action going to manage to face that level? Will it blast off from the level? Of course, if it blasts off from that level, I am not interested in taking any short positions. This is why we do not provide signals. We provide education. We need to see what kind of volume volume happens, okay, at that level, are we going to reject from it? Then we take the decision of getting into trade. I cannot just randomly say, hey, this is a short position right now from this level, I'm looking for these lows to be claimed. No, this is not how it works. We need to be very much aware of the situation, of the volume, of the price action, set alerts on the chart, and then check the reaction to take a look at that trading opportunity. This trade was based on the reaction. It was when we recovered from the low. If you do take a look at my entry, it is as soon as we get above this low, I sniper trade that entry, okay? This is how we trade here in the Legends community. We are snipers. We do not randomly get into longs and shorts and put limit orders. We market order our trades. So right now, if we do zoom in here on this scenario, could it be a possibility that this high, the value area high, and this high over here is going to get rejected? This is something that we need to pay attention. This is why I'm setting an alert here. I'll be ready to get that alert on my phone, jump onto the charts and check the scenario. That is basically my next trading shorting opportunity that I do have here, guys, that I'm providing here for free on YouTube. But we could blast through this level. What is the next big major level, of course? Well, we do have a daily level at $29,700 range. That is round about this 7-8 Fibonacci from the pivot high to the pivot low, okay, from this drop that we've had, round about that zone. I'm also interested in to see, are we going to create a little bit of a reaction? This will not be an instant short position. I want to see a reaction. I want to see a rejection. Once we reject from that level, I will be looking to get into the nice, the better trading opportunity with great risk management. Those are basically the two shorting levels that I do have here on the chart, guys. There's not much more to be said. I will be paying close attention with the Legends, guys. It's not the same on YouTube than actually being in the Discord, where you have that, information every few hours, where we talk about, hey, this looks strong. There is a large volume. I don't like this short anymore, okay? So anything can change very, very quickly. If you are interested in joining the Legends community, you know the deal. You have the link down below in the description to join the Legends trading community with a 25% discount, where we do provide that information. We do talk about those, possible trading setups on the video updates. Now it's pure education, pure setups, what I am looking for, how you can be a professional trader, okay, with these market moves. Now, let's dive in through the DXY, guys, because the DXY is pumping a little bit today. It's not looking extremely good. It looks like we're going to blast off on the DXY. DXY is bullish. This is the end. We are breaking out from the resistance of this wedge. Forget about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to crash miserably to 27K or even lower. Well, for the moment, I'm going to give, the DXY a chance here to consolidate at this zone. It is still very soon. This took over a week right over here. It took over 1 week, okay? Pumping, dumping at this zone, getting rejected here from the high volume node, as you can see, and then had that great crash here, okay, in just a matter of a couple of weeks. I would expect a similar scenario. Let's see the next coming days. I will give it to about Thursday or Friday to have that consolidation. If we're still trading at this zone by Thursday, Friday, guys, I can already tell you I will be extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and I would expect in the next 1 to 2 weeks that the DXY will start correcting here very aggressively. I need that consolidation, just like what happened right over here. I'm going to talk about this for the next coming days. I need to repeat it so you pay attention. Don't start crying and then saying, yes, you did, you were repeating yourself, but I didn't take action here on Bitcoin for a big major pump. So we're just remaining patient. We are entering our trades at the lowest level possible because we know how to do it, guys. We are defensive. This trade, no matter what, will not turn into a losing trade. It is protected. Now let's go dive in right away on the bot here, guys, because I activated a trading bot here on Bybit. I was talking here to the product manager. I got some friends. Hey, check out this bot. It's working absolutely great. It is true. I did make a video here just a couple of days doing an interview here with the financial product manager from Bybit. And overall, I got, a couple of friends that have actually activated this for several weeks already, even over a couple of months, and they're making some pretty decent profits. I just activated this bot on Bybit, okay, just over 3 days ago. This one, $5,000, $50 in profit. pretty decent so far. Both of them are winning. I only activated this one just over 2 days ago, almost $100 in profit in less than 3 days, guys, with a $5,000. I will be, deploying more capital here in the next coming weeks if this is consistent, okay? If I do see by the end of August that this is running well, I will putting another 10K or even 20K on top of these bots. If they do work, why not? Passive income is absolutely great, guys. I did have a video from a few days ago. I'll be leaving it on top of my head. Remember, if you want to activate one of these bots, you do have Bybit, which is my favorite derivatives exchange. Those bots are there, guys. I have the video from 2 days ago that you can check out, okay? How I actually, it's super simple how to activate these bots. You can create the account on Bybit down below in the description. You also have $30,000 worth of bonus for derivatives trading, guys. Take advantage of that bonus. Join my team for the World Series of Trading. Let's try and get to the top 10 here in the next couple of weeks. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.